Don't know what it tastes like though. It could be horrible. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. All right. I promise I'll be honest. Now, a lot of people grew the Achocha seed that I gave them last year, and a lot of people have asked me what they should do with the fruit, because they are abundant. This time of year, the vines are absolutely dripping with them, absolutely everywhere. Got loads and loads of these fruits. You can eat them raw, you can fry them up like a pepper, but I looked online and I found a few different recipes that said about making sweet Achocha jam, so I thought we'd try that out today. Now, it says we need ½ kilo. They don't weigh very much, so I've got my basket. I think I'm going to have to pretty much fill it to get ½ kilo because they're hollow inside. And we're going to save the seeds for seed saving, then we can cut the fruit up and we can use that to make the jam. They are everywhere. I mean, you want to crop this? Although it's swamped my greenhouse, and it does every year, it doesn't do it, excuse me, doesn't do it till the end of autumn, which is kind of cool because everyone else is dying off now. The tomatoes are kind of, they've had their day. The cucumbers as well, I'm just letting some go to seed. But the Achochas are now running rampant, and, you know, I don't mind. There's nothing else going on in here, really. It'd be different if I was trying to clean the place out to plant some salad crops and stuff, but I haven't done that this year. So, you know, let them have their day, and in the meantime it's quite fun, like a little jungle. Down in the jungle where the weather is hot. I'll tell you, genuinely, if this works for a jam, it's going to be a really easy crop to grow for it, because it's hard to stop it growing. Okay, I've no idea how much ½ kilo of Achochas is, but I picked this in about 5 minutes, so we'll see if this is enough. We'll go up and do our thing with it, but I might wait till it's dark. I've got a few jobs to do, and preserving is a nice autumn evening job, so let's go put these away. Do it in a minute. Okay, the recipe I saw said to top and tail them. You get like that, and then cut into kind of 5mm slices. Into my nail. And actually, although I said I'm only going to make ½ kilo, I imagine that's going to take quite a while. Save all the seeds for seed saving and give them out, especially if we can find more things to do with the plant because they grow so prolifically. Looking forward to trying this sweet Achocha jam. You're not trying it? I think it sounds amazing. Spiky jam.
Hard to appreciate how thick that layer is, but I do.
Where should I be bits? Daddy? Should I put them back in here?
Make a pile, I think, is what you're going to get. So I think we've discovered the best way to get the stamen out is to run the knife around like that, but don't go all the way through. And then you can pull it out with the seeds attached. There's a few seeds left in there that you can shake out.
Ooh, maybe a bit too
And then I
far.
pass it to my assistant. He takes the seeds off.
Look out!
And I can just slice this up into 5mm slices for the jam. Okay, so I've just finished cutting them up, waiting for tea. It's made my fingers go all tight. It's like I've got glue on the ends of my fingers and I can't wash it off.
Can I see?
Look, it's actually like...
Yeah.
Squeeze all the moisture out of Daddy's fingers.
Yeah, look. Look at you. Weird.
Is it like my thumb?
Everyone show your thumb. This isn't going in the video, guys. Okay, so I soaked these in a brine for the last few hours. Strain them off now and then get them stewing. I'm really not sure what's going to happen with these. So I've got them on there, just simmer them down. I know how much sugar it is, so it's 560 grams I've made. So I'm going to weigh out now 560 grams of granulated sugar. I'm probably going to add a bit of lemon juice and just see if I can actually get to setting point. I'll pop a plate in the freezer now as well. It's an interesting smell. It's kind of just green. Like, it smells like the Achochas, but I don't know. A little appley maybe? I wonder if he's going to have enough pectin to make anything set. Oh yeah, it's definitely breaking them down. So they've gone very soft. And they seem to have pulled out a lot of liquid out of the mixture, so after about 5 minutes of cooking. I'll give it another few minutes and then add the sugar. Normally, when I make jam, I always want to try it all the time. I have very little desire to try this. It looks really weird. Just not sure. Just not 100% sure. When you get this setting point now, get a plate out of the freezer and test it. Doesn't smell great. I don't know. So I don't even know if there's any pectin in this fruit, so I don't even know if it'll set. So I put a little lemon juice in, that should help. I mean, that's super runny. Let it cool down for a second. Massively taste of anything. I have a theory with jam and making it of unusual things. And it says, something says that it doesn't taste that great, but it'll make a good preserve. I'm fairly sure if you've got enough sugar with my socks, I can make a good preserve out of that. I have an inkling. This might be one of those things. I'll burn my fingers if I'm not careful. I mean, it doesn't taste bad. It tastes good. This is very sweet, obviously. There's a flavour there, but I'm not sure what it is. It's not a bad flavour. It's almost a bit like quince. Really subtle. Okay, it's becoming really jellified now. That is wrinkling now, perfect. See how it's forming a wrinkle? Let's turn that off the heat. Now, I've been a bit optimistic with 4 jars. But it's better to have too many sterilised than not enough. Now the Americans are going to hate this, but I'm not going to can those now. That is done. It's 50% sugar. It's perfectly safe. It's kind of like the British way of doing it. It's when you do jam, put it in hot sterilised jars, and that's it, it's sorted. As long as the jars seal, which I'm sure they will, we're all good. So we'll open one of these tomorrow. I'll get the children to try it, and we'll see what they think.
Can I smell it? Should I get a teaspoon out?
Get 4 teaspoons.
Why not, Daddy?
Mummy says she doesn't want to try it. Don't stand in the line, don't start yet.
It looks very gelatiny.
Doesn't
It's like jelly.
Surprised by how well it's set.
Quite set. Jam. Looks like jelly. It feels like it would fall off. It's jelly.
Feels like jelly when you touch it.
No, it feels like sticky jelly.
But, so it's really gelatinous. It's really gone off well. Hang on then. Right. Okay, oldest, you try it first. You have to try the whole spoonful. Let's try a little bit. Don't try the whole thing. It's just jam.
Can somebody else try it first?
All right, youngest, you try it first. Then. What does it taste like? Give me some ideas of its flavour.
Miss Daddy's not tried it yet.
It's quite like sticky.
Sticky.
Oh,
Is that a flavour? It's going to go on your face.
I got it on my face too.
Okay, middleist, you going to try next? Oh, you're not middleist. Sorry. Right, give me some ideas what it tastes like, guys.
Really sweet.
Just sweet. Got any flavours there?
You can't tell it's Achocha.
What do you think it is?
Like a blackcurrant, but not really like blackcurrant.
Blackcurrant, but not as flavourful as blackcurrant.
Blackcurrant. Okay, I'm going to try this as well.
Blackberry, I mean.
So you can't identify the flavour properly.
It's got something though, hasn't it?
There's a bit more. I quite like it.
I don't want any more.
I want more.
Can Mummy try some?
There's nothing for mummy. Okay, so there we go. We've made the jam. It's nice. I'm not sure it's something we're going to be making every year, if I'm honest with you. So I think we need to do a bit more experimenting and see what else we can do with the Achochas and see if there's something else we can kind of make with them. It is quite nice, quite gelatinous. I can't believe how kind of gooey it is when it's gone off. And it's not like any other jam I've kind of made before, I don't think. And it is quite hard to pinpoint the flavours, although it's definitely got some different flavours there. So quite interesting, something quite different. Might go nice with some cheese or
Toast.
something like that. You want to try it on toast tomorrow. So yeah, there's a use for these Achochas. And I'm sure there's a great use for them somewhere because they crop so prolifically. I'm not sure jam is it just yet. So we'll keep searching for something else to do with it. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.
Bye.
Oh, it's like a fabric poacher.